ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Hello fellow engineers and students. Today we are here to talk about the upcoming program webinar which is scheduled on 3rd and 4th September 2020 on the topic professional opportunity for engineers in the field of valuation, which is jointly organized by two training institutes. One is the Instruct and Indian Institution of Valuers, Bangalore branch. To talk about the upcoming webinar, I have two eminent speakers who will answer our lot of questions which are there in our mind. One, Mr. Ullas Prabhu, who is the Vice Chairman IOV, and Mr. K.M. Manjunatha, who is the Secretary to IOV and also a Treasurer to Instruct. To begin with, first I will request Mr. Manjunatha to briefly tell about the Training Institute Instruct to the participants.
Thank you, Ajit. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayam dadati satpatam. Instruct is there to disseminate knowledge and to train engineering professionals. Instruct formed in the year 1989 as Center for Awareness in Construction and Engineering. Instruct in tune with emerging demand for high quality training and skill enhancement in the construction and infrastructure industry. Instruct specializes in designing and customizing training program for all level of personnel in construction and infrastructure industry on sponsorship basis. So today we are here to speak about the upcoming webinar on 3rd of September in association with Institution of Valuers.
Thank you, sir. And now I request Mr. Ullas Prabhu to briefly tell about Institution of Valuers to all participants.
Namaskara, Ajit sir.
Namaskara,
Manjunath sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to convey a few feelings I have on the occasion of the webinar which will be there on the 3rd and 4th of September. The Institution of Valuers is a premier organization of valuation professionals in India, embracing about 70% of the recognized valuation professionals in the country from across various organizations and geographical regions in India. It has a global status among the premier valuation institutes, and the Institution of Valuers is also engaged in conducting workshops, lectures, seminars on a regular basis all over the country. IOV is ranked amongst the top 5 valuer associations in the world. It has completed more than 50 years and we have around 28,000 and odd members who are valuers in various fields of valuation. This organization has supported all the engineers who have become valuers in these few decades and also made a mark in supporting the requirement of users in the area of valuation.
Thank you, sir, to telling all the participants brief about the institution. Now I request Mr. K.M. Manjunatha to briefly tell the need and purpose of this webinar.
Ajit sir, the very important word in Gitopadesha, change is universal. Badalavane Jagad Niyam.
Right.
Because of this COVID-19, all people were in house only. They can't go out for unless there is a huge necessity. We thought that if any of our engineering fraternity want to change their profession and knew about
opportunities available.
Opportunities available. in the field of valuation. At this time, need of the hour is to decimate them, to allow them to know about a new profession, which is a valuation profession. That is actually the purpose of the seminar, so that we can educate some of our students, some of our professionals who are in the work, a new profession which they do not know and which they know about little. That's what the purpose of the seminar is.
Sir, can you also define the scope of valuers?
Sir, actually, the scope of valuers, as you said, is there is a general syndrome. Valuers means they will do valuation for banks only, like that.
Yes.
And other thing is that valuation is only civil engineers can do.
Yes.
Both are wrong. See, bank is one of the outsourced, that's all. So many areas are there, court is there, valuation is done for, partition is there, valuation done for acquisition of land is there, and income tax department, they need evaluation. Like that, there are many platforms are there. And valuation is also not only for civil engineers, even any branch of engineering like mechanical, electrical, aeronautical, all those fraternities can come to the field of valuation, because if you want to take a loan from bank for a car, you need a valuer. When it automobile engineering comes, if you want to buy agricultural land, agricultural value will come. Like that, all fields of engineering are connected to the valuation profession. So this is what the message we wanted to give in this webinar.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Ullas Prabhu to enlighten us about the benefits of the valuation profession for the engineers and students.
Yes, Ajit sir, as you heard that the whole objective of this webinar is to bring in a point that there are good opportunities for the fraternity of engineers to enter the field of valuation. The scope is, I can use the word unlimited, in terms of the asset which are to be valued by different users, and the job is a sort of challenging job where you have to consider all aspects, all branches in terms of accountancy, in terms of your legal aspects, and also engineering skills, economy, and these subjects.
Thank you, sir. Just wanted to know, can engineer make a career as a valuer?
Definitely, sir, definitely. Because this profession is made for engineers only. Engineers can definitely make a career in this profession, provided if they know the way and way outs, how to get into the profession. Definitely, it is for sure.
Thank you, sir. Just wanted to know what are the special skill sets required to become a good valuer, sir?
Sir, I think our colleague Ullas Prabhu sir can add to it, but still I will also put few things, then he will join me. As good as asking who is a better doctor, because a valuer will have multidisciplinary acts in his profession. That means you should advise for a person who is purchasing a plot. He can even advise for the family, they are going for a partition, and he can also advise for an industry where it is going for a liquidation or changing over the properties. So like that, a valuer's profession is a very skilled profession, and sometimes valuer should be a CBI officer also, because they need to find out the true value of the property and true identification of the property. So good lot of skills are required, first of all as a human being, and first of all as a true professional. I think our sir is the best person.
Yeah, the engineering academic course gives you a lot of inputs on the analytical and logical approach to a problem. This inputs which you have got through the academic course and the training and the exposure which you will have when you enter the field of senior valuers you will be able to gear up with the challenges in the field of valuation, where you require a lot of analytical, logical application of mind in order to be a very successful valuer.
Sir, any special certificate courses to be done to become a valuer?
Yeah, there are some courses are there that would be definitely dealt in our upcoming webinar. Surely each participants will be in a position to receive those information. Definitely.
Thank you, sir. Let me tell you the other speaker detail information and the topics which are going to be covered in the webinar. First, introduction of valuation by Mr. A.V. Manjunatha, National Council member and Branch Coordination South West Zone, IOV, New Delhi. Second topic will be fundamentals of valuation by Mr. Dr. G.S. Raju, who is the chairman of IOV Bengaluru branch. Third topic will be essential requirements and opportunities for valuers by Mr. K. M. Manjunatha, who is the secretary IOV Bengaluru branch. And the last report writing by Mr. Ullas P. Prabhu, vice chairman IOV Bengaluru branch. As we are going to meet on 3rd and 4th for this webinar, a lot of questions in detail will be answered during the webinar, where you will know what are the skill sets, what kind of career opportunities and what kind of earnings you can make as a valuer. So request all of you to get registered quickly and take the benefit of this webinar and make it a grand successful program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.